Tax for Online Business Canada by Accountant, Mississauga, Oakville, Toronto.
Hi, my name's Allan Madan. I'm a chartered accountant in the Mississauga, Oakville, and Toronto regions of Ontario, Canada. The topic of today's short video is Tax for Online Businesses in Canada. Many businesses today have a presence online, or they are conducting their business completely online. While that's great for increasing sales and profits, it does pose many tax issues. The first tax issue is, in which country does my online business have to pay tax? That depends on where the company is incorporated in. For example, if the online business is incorporated in the United States, then it would have to pay tax in the United States. Some jurisdictions in the United States, such as Delaware and Nevada, have a very low rate tax jurisdiction. However, the Canadian tax authorities want their fair share of tax. So if you are a Canadian, are located in Canada, and are conducting your business primarily from Canada, the Canada Revenue Agency will impose tax on the profits from your online business even if it's incorporated outside Canada. The reason being is that the Canada Revenue Agency will stipulate that the mind and management of the online business is located in Canada. So you must be careful when choosing the jurisdiction of incorporation for your online business. The second major issue that online businesses need to deal with in Canada is the Harmonized Sales Tax, or HST. HST is applicable at a rate of 13% on product sales and services sold by online businesses to Canadians. Most provinces in Canada have harmonized sales tax. It's very important from an online business owner's perspective to track Canadian sales and non-Canadian sales. So the website or sales tracking system must be able to identify the country of residence, Canada or elsewhere, for the customers that they have sold product or services to ensure that HST is only charged on Canadian sales. If the online business owner does not have such a tracking system, then the Canada Revenue Agency will impose HST on all sales, whether or not they were made in Canada, because as a business owner you have no way of proving where they were made to. I know that's totally unfair, but that's the reality with the Canada Revenue Agency. The third major issue for online business is how to structure the intellectual property from a tax perspective. The most valuable asset that an online business will have is its IP, whether that's the website or the software. It's an excellent idea to have the IP, the intellectual property, incorporated in one business, in one corporation, and have the business located in a separate corporation. If you have multiple websites or multiple intellectual property, you could consider creating more than one corporation where each corporation would hold one particular piece of intellectual property. The reason being is that when it comes time to sell, you can sell a particular piece of intellectual property without having to sell the entire business. What's great about the Canadian tax system is that capital gains up to $750,000 are not subject to any income tax. So when you're selling your IP, you do not have to pay income tax on the first $750,000 of gain per shareholder, which is great. The fourth major issue that online businesses in Canada need to address is scientific research and experimental development tax credits, also known as SRED. For businesses that are developing software or IP, the Canada Revenue Agency offers a government grant of up to 60% of the money spent on salaries, subcontractors, equipment, and related items with respect to developing the intellectual property. That's 65% of money that you could receive in the form of a government grant, which again is an excellent program and incentive for Canadian entrepreneurs to develop IP in Canada. The fifth major issue for online businesses is dealing with Canada Revenue Agency's recent administrative position. It appears that they are specifically trying to target online businesses, especially those conducting business on eBay, for unpaid taxes. So, as an online business, it's important that you have a tax accountant and a chartered accountant to help you make sure that your tax affairs are properly structured and that your books of account, your records, are properly organized, so that in the event of an audit, you're completely safe and have nothing to worry about. If you found this video useful, I encourage you to visit my website, the link for which is shown at the bottom of this video, http://madanca.com. Also, get access to my free report, 20 free tax secrets on how to beat the tax man, by visiting the link shown at the end of this video. So go ahead, visit my website, get access to the free report, and save yourself a ton in taxes. Thanks for watching.